Guys, I'm at the little flea market here, and I've never been to this one before. This is one farther away from where I live. It's about half an hour, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty much everything. There's one by my house, but it's much bigger than this one. But this is really cute little flea market here. Little swap meet. Phones, spinners. Let's look at the spinners. Hats, shoes, clothes. They have really good food here. Might go get some lunch in a little bit. The spinners. I might get one. Which one should I get? Oh, I need an earbud. Let me get one of these right here.
Hi.
Hi.
What do you want?
Oh, I'm looking for like some earbuds. Like, how much are these? $5? Okay. Is that one better? Okay, so I just bought some earbuds for my phone, but I'm really looking for some purses because I wanted to buy a bag with my parents, but I can't find them. Or my grandma. I kind of ditched them. I'll look for some purses here. See what kind of bag. So yeah, this is a cute little place. I've never been here before. So we found it. I'm looking for a purse. So it looks like it's really nice. I was thinking about ordering one online, but since I'm already out here, I might just get one. So, yeah, they look pretty nice here. Oh, check it out. Chinese food right here. I think my dad went back there and Mexican food. Hey guys, so we're getting blankets. They got one like that right there. $10 only. It's kind of cute, huh? And this item I got here was this purse. Isn't that cute? That came with like a little scarf thing. And I normally don't get red purses, but I figure, you know, the holidays coming up, so it'd be nice to wear a red purse to like a party or something. It comes with a little strap, shoulder strap. There's that. Isn't that cute? That all that space in there, just enough to put your wallet and your phone. So this is $10. Got this purse. Isn't that cute? You could take that scarf off too if you like. Or you can leave it on. Okay. And then I got some earbuds. And these are $6 here. Really cute. With like roses and flowers on it. Okay, so that's all I really got, guys. I didn't see anything else that I liked there. Today I got the pumpkin cream cake. I had my boyfriend get this for me because I was craving something sweet. And he ordered this from Amazon at his work. It's the Leeling's Hawaiian candy from Hawaii. And they're like the sour kind of candies. So yeah, he ordered this for me, and so now they sell them at his work because at home this is pretty popular. Like, people get this sour candy. So it's called Leeling. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test of these. This is my first time having this pumpkin cream cake. Really moist already. It looks like it's been cooked today. So it's pretty moist. Looks like it's been cooked today. Oops, it's falling apart. I'll taste it. Very, very good. Awesome. Very good. I got this from Walmart. This is very fresh. Oh my god. Very good. And it tastes of cinnamon and a lot of pumpkin. And you see the walnuts in there too. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. So I give these a go. These are a thumbs up. If you go to the Walmart bakery side, get this one, the pumpkin cream cake, bomb with the milk. Okay guys, so these candies are the bomb. Sorry, I want to cover up his work address and thing. But yeah, this is a $7.99 a pound for the Lillian candies, and I'll link them below if you want to order them from Amazon. But sorry, hashtag no spons. I'm not sponsored by this, but yeah. So yeah, so I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want, if you're interested in ordering this on Amazon or anywhere else. But I see he spent $6.07 on these Lillian sour belt candies. So they have a sour plum powder that they put on the candies. So that's what the difference is between this and the other, like Sour Patches and other sour brands that we have in here in California or anywhere else. But yeah, so yeah, if you want to order that, that's really, really good. And I do recommend. So yeah, so I do recommend this pumpkin cream cake from Walmart. I'm very, very like shocked. It's really good. It's like something you get from the restaurant. So if you guys ever want to try that, grab you one at Walmart and grab you one of these.